Hey, welcome to LoveLiveSave. In today's video, we're going to go over some amazing Cling Supply couponing deals that are going to help you to build a stockpile, save a bunch of money, and help get your house squeaky clean this Saturday, September 2nd at Dollar General. But before we get started, don't forget, make sure you subscribe here to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of my future couponing deals. I post 2 Dollar General couponing deal videos every day of the week because I want you to save as much money as you possibly can, so I don't want you to miss out on any deals. So if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. An awesome way to support my work here at LoveLiveSave. If you enjoyed the deal video, please don't forget to hit the thumbs up like button. It makes a huge difference for my channel and it is greatly appreciated. For tonight's question, I have a really interesting one for you. I want you to leave me a comment down below, and I want to know, if you've been couponing for over 5 years, how has your couponing evolved over the years? How have things changed? I am really excited because I have been couponing over 13, 14 years now, and I can tell you things have changed dramatically for my couponing compared to when I first started. And make sure you share this video with all your friends and family members that want to learn how to coupon, or maybe they just want to learn to save a little bit of extra money, so I can get these deals out to them and help them too. Oh, and one more thing. If you're interested in my brand new 100-page couponing planner book that is filled with couponing planner pages that make writing out your deals significantly easier, I'm going to have the information down below in the video description as well as down below in the comments to make things a little bit easier for you. I am super excited about this project. It's something I've been wanting to do since I first designed these couponing planner pages several years ago. I really wanted to see them in a book format, and now they're finally available over on Amazon. I'm super, super proud of this project. So if you're interested, make sure you check it out. And for those of you that have already purchased them, thank you so much for your support. I greatly appreciate it. And let me know down below in the comments what you think of them. So let's get started with these deals. After all, that's the reason why you're here, right? So starting right out, we are going to score a great deal on the Dawn Power Wash and the Gain Power Blast sprays because we got those amazing $3.99 off too for both brands. Such an awesome opportunity to stock up for super cheap. So grab 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills, 2 of the Gain Power Blast sprays, 1 Palmolive dish soap for $3.25, and then 1 of the Febreze fabric refreshers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $9.72 plus tax for a 62% off savings. With cootie season officially pretty much here, I realized that over the last several months, I haven't been working a lot of coupon deals with the Clorox bleach. I used to do it all the time. I honestly don't know why I stopped. Probably because we don't get coupons for it super often. But this week, we got a great $2 off of 2 Clorox coupon that does apply to the Clorox bleach. So here's a great deal to stock up on them for cheap. Grab 2 bottles of the 43-ounce size Clorox bleach, 1 Febreze Unstoppable spray, 1 Febreze fabric refresher, 1 pack of Bic Soleil razors, and 1 of the 105-count boxes of Gain dryer sheets. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.70 plus tax for a 60% off savings. If I had to mention one couponing item that I really want to start working to focus on couponing and adding into my stockpile, something that I've never been able to really coupon before. I mean, I could, but I just never actually do, is definitely the big bottles of Dawn dish soap. My husband is a huge fan of them. He works in the car and gets greasy hands all the time, and this is like his go-to product for getting the grease off his hands, and we almost never have it in the house. So for this deal, we're going to grab 2 of the Finish Jet Dry Cleaners, 1 of the big bottles of Dawn dish soap, the 56-ounce size, and then 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.91 plus tax for a 46% off savings, which isn't bad when you consider we didn't even have a coupon for the big bottle of Dawn dish soap. Now, if you're a fan of the Scrub Daddy and Scrub Mommy sponges, like I am, I love their sponges, you may or may not know that Dollar General actually does sell them. They are slightly thinner than the irregular size sponges, but they are a great sponge, and I love stocking up on them and working them into deals whenever I can. And I actually need to replace my Scrub Mommy sponges currently, which, by the way, did you know if you go to the Scrub Mommy sponges, they actually do a recycling program where when you send in your old sponge, they give you a percentage dollars off your next purchase of sponges. I thought that was a great program. So we're going to stock up on those Scrub Mommy sponges in this deal. Grab one Scrub Mommy sponge, one of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits, and 2 Gain Power Blast sprays. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.26 plus tax for an easy 59% off savings, which is just like the other deal. I mean, we didn't even have a coupon for the Scrub Mommy sponges. And to my knowledge, I don't think we've ever actually had some. And because I am a big believer in speaking coupons into existence, I personally would love to see some coupons for some Scrub Mommy sponges so I can stock up on them for cheap. If you're like me and you like stocking up on the big bottles of laundry detergent like I do, I don't usually tend to go towards the smaller bottles because my stockpile is down in my basement and I hate having to go down every week to get laundry detergent because we go through a lot of laundry in my house. So this week we got a great $3 off Arm & Hammer laundry detergent coupon. So grab one of those big bottles of Arm & Hammer laundry detergent with OxiClean, 1 pack of Bixley razors, and 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $11.01 plus tax for a 59% off savings. Now we're paying less than the full price of just Arm & Hammer detergent alone, and the Bic razors and Dawn Power Wash basically end up being free. That's my kind of deal, right? Next up, we got a really simple, easy deal. Doesn't have a whole lot of pieces to it, so it makes it super easy to remember by the time you get to the store. Grab one of the big bottles of Gain Fireworks. I love this $4 off Gain Fireworks coupon. If this is a product that you like using for your house, take this as a sign. This is a rare coupon. We usually only get $3 off, so this is a great time to stock up. Grab 1 pack of Bixley razors and 1 of the Febreze fabric refreshers. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $10.15 plus tax for a 60% off savings. I mean, look at that. We're paying almost $6 less than the Gain Fireworks. Whew. This is a great week to coupon. Moving on, we have a great deal to stock up on the air fresheners. We have a lot of air freshener coupons right now. Some great coupons. So grab one of the Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kits, 1 bottle of Febreze Unstoppable Spray, 1 pack of the Bixley razors, and 1 Febreze plug-in. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $7.45 plus tax for a 72% off savings. Another thing that I personally want to focus on adding more into my stockpile definitely is my dishwasher supplies. I used to have a decent sized stockpile of my dishwasher tablets, but of course, when the pandemic was going on, I ran through a lot of dishwasher tablets, and I haven't had an opportunity to really replenish them. So for this deal, grab 1 tub of the Cascade Platinum dishwasher tablets, 1 Finish Jet Dry Cleaner, and 2 of the Dawn Power Wash refills. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.21 plus tax for a 52% off savings. So as you may or may not have noticed in today's deal video, my voice is sounding rather harsh because I am getting over a rather nasty chest cold. Oh, I hate cootie season. And so going forward into this coming weekend, I definitely want to focus on stocking up on the disinfecting products. So I'm a little bit more better prepared because I go through a lot of it. I have a little one in preschool, and the preschool cooties are real, my friends. So for this next deal, we're going to call it the anti-cooties, I have no time for these germs deal. So grab 2 tubs of Clorox disinfecting wipes, 1 tub of Lysol disinfecting wipes, 1 of the Lysol air sanitizers. And by the way, if you've tried this Lysol air sanitizer, let me know what you thought of it. I'm kind of curious what it smells like. And then 1 of my go-to favorite laundry products, the Lysol laundry sanitizer. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $12.85 plus tax for a 50% off savings. This week, we have some fantastic laundry coupons, especially the Tide and the Persil detergent. I'm a big fan of the Persil detergent, so here's a great deal to stock up on all of it all at one time. Grab 1 bag of the Tide Pods Ocean Mist Scent Light Pods, 1 small bag of Tide Pods, 2 boxes of these Crest toothpaste, and 1 of the small bottles of Persil laundry detergent. After all coupons, our total out of pocket comes down to just $14.10 plus tax for a 50% off savings. I love coupon deals where we get at least a 50% or more savings. Now, if you're looking for even more Dollar General coupon deals to choose from, you're going to want to check out the comments down below or the video description. I'll have it in both places for a 1-week free trial for my Patreon page. Now, my Patreon page is where I post my complete couponing deals list from week to week because I often write significantly more couponing deals than I have time to post in YouTube deal video format, unfortunately. Like this week's deals list, no joke, has 150 couponing deals. Yeah, 150 deals. So if you're interested, check out the comments. It is an easy to download PDF file. You can either download it to your smartphone, a tablet, or you can print off whatever section you want. And it has deals for all the major categories of things that you want to save on for your family. We're talking game products because, of course, it's Dollar General. We got to have gain, right? We have laundry products, cleaning supplies, toilet paper, paper towels. We have diapers, Tide products, $10 off of 40 couponing deals because I love that coupon this week, and even a cheap out-of-pocket deals list. I've done all the work for you with this list. All you gotta do is pick whatever deals you want to do, clip the coupons, go to the store, find the products, and you are good to go. So if you're interested, make sure you check out the comments, and like I said, I'll have it in the video description as well. Thank you so much for watching today's deal video. I really appreciate you being here. And thank you for being so patient with me. I gotta be honest with you, I truly feel like garbage right now. So, but working on these deal videos is super important to me. So if you haven't already subscribed here to my YouTube channel, please take a moment, subscribe. I'd love to have you here. Click on the notification bell as well and turn on all notifications. That way, whenever I post my deal videos or I do one of my fun couponing after dark live chats, I promise I'm gonna get back to after I'm feeling a little bit better. You're gonna receive a notification. You're gonna be one of the first people to know when I post or when I go live, and you won't miss out. And I will see you in the next video.